Which one?
She wants to open that one first.
Okay, come.
Okay. Okay, let's see
This one
the
from
first present.
This one from
This
Mami
is from
and
who?
Abah.
Okay. Wow, how you know?
I know lah.
Tak, dia.
Dia nak buat ni dulu tau. Okay, just stare.
Oh, what is that? A what? Kasar. Clever. Correcto mundo. Wow, that is nice. Okay, next one.
Next one, which one?
Which one?
This one. Okay. This one, okay.
Oh, okay. So is this from?
Okay, kejap. Nak baca dulu. Let's see. Who is it from? There's a card. Ini tadi Mami punya tadi. Happy birthday, Teddy. Happy birthday, Alisha. We love you from? From Sarah and Irfan. Thank you.
I said thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, what? What happened? Okay, I know.
Take the unicorn. Unicorn also present.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, put there.
Okay. Put on the table.
Okay.
Okay.
Nah, teh.
The second present opening. What is that?
Apa ni?
Oh. Seriousnya? Alisha, what is
Tak
that?
nampak muka dia. What is this?
A princess?
Princess Palace. It's also a castle.
Kasar juga sama.
Sama lah. Tapi dia punya puzzle. Sama
Sama
dengan
castle tu.
Mami dengan Abah bagi. Tapi tu ni lah.
Lain sikit tapi
Sikit
sama.
lah. Tapi palace lah.
Okay. Okay, Aisha, next one. The third one.
This one from who? Tak tahu.
Auntie baby. Huh? Sama. Alisha, you got two. Alisha, you got extra.
Patutlah dia punya bungkusan macam sama
That is-
size. That is
It is
very
very rare. Wait. You got extra. Aisha, say thank you. Here. Hello. There, Auntie baby. Thank you. Okay. What? You got two, one for adik. Is it? Maybe. No.
Oi.
Okay. Okay, next one. Number 4.
From
Nana and
Baba.
Yay.
Betul kan?
Macam best je. Okay. Okay, Aisha, tear it. Yes. A Barbie doll. Oh, princess lagi. Princess lagi satu.
Show.
Wow, so pretty princess. Alisha, what do you say? Aisha, no, not yet. Wait,
Open.
another more.
This one.
Another one, is it?
There's a dress.
Auntie Sasha.
Sasha.
Wow, yellow.
Wow.
Yellow color. Yellow color dress. So
Ni
pretty.
tak boleh double tu, tak boleh.
Pretty.
Oh, this one no
Good job, Aisha.
Good job, Alisha.
Okay. Alisha, look.
One more, there's one more.
There's one more. Okay. Yes. Wow, another one. Another princess dress. Yeah.
Oh, ada boleh reverse
Wow. Pretty. So nice. Ada lagi? Oh. Okay.
Apa ni?
Alisha, what is that?
Spentot.
Your undies.
Andis. Yay.
Okay.
This one wash.
Wash. Okay, this one wash. Have to wash it first.
Have to wash.
I know. Of course.
Wash.
Show talk about how you dance, ballerina. Yes. Anda. Alisha, ballerina.
Dia benar. Ha? Naik tak kaki dia?
Ballerina. How does she do the leg
The leg.
and the hand? Dia malu. Itu pening. What? Okay. What do you want to? Which one do you want to open? This one? Okay. Habis. Okay, thank you everyone.